Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
Well, let's begin with a breaking update. It's been almost 54 days. 54 days later, this so-called Baba, this molester Baba, this notorious Baba, he's now been arrested. And he's been arrested from Agra. As far as in this latest update that we are also getting from the Delhi police's side, as far as the arrest of this self-styled godman is concerned, they have recovered 2 fake visiting cards from Baba Chaitanyananda Saraswati. Now these first visiting cards, imagine this is coming in from the United Nations. According to the Baba, he's described himself as a permanent ambassador to the United Nations. According to the second fake visiting card, Baba describes himself as a member of the Joint Commission of BRICS countries and a special envoy of India. Imagine to the extent that he was aspiring for as far as when it comes to these fake visiting cards are concerned. But he's been arrested and he faces several charges. Charges that are linked with forgery, charges that are linked with cheating, and charges, of course, that are linked with the sexual assault and harassment. First, listen into the police's reaction.
इसी दौरान हमें कल एक रात में सफलता मिली जिसमें कि आगरा के इसको वहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाई किया गया तो पता लगा ये वही है, तो इसको वहाँ से अप्रीहेंड किया गया और अभी लाया गया है और अभी इसकी आगे केस में गिरफ्तारी डाल के इसकी पूछताछ की जाएगी। सर बाबा से क्या रिकवर हुआ है? क्या रिकवर हुआ है अभी? रिकवर इससे अभी 3 फोन मिले हैं, 1 आईपैड मिला है, उन सब की अभी जांच की जाएगी और कुछ विजिटिंग कार्ड मिले हैं जो कि ये फेक विजिटिंग कार्ड इसने बना रखे थे यूएन और ब्रिक्स के, अपने आप को भारत सरकार के अधिकारी दिखाते हुए। ये अभी अपना अलग अलग डेली लोकेशन चेंज करा था पुलिस से बचने के लिए, वृंदावन, आगरा, मथुरा, उन एरियाज में अपना घूम रहा था। वृंदावन, मथुरा, आगरा, जब ये बाहर से आया उसके बाद ये उसी इलाके में घूम, अभी इसके मॉलेस्टेशन वाले केस में हम अरेस्ट डाल रहे हैं। तो आज पुलिस रिमांड मांगी जाएगी? बिल्कुल मांगी जाएगी।
Let's get on a word from Tetri now. Tetri, big development that has happened because according to reports, as the police has been saying that this so-called Baba was constantly changing his locations, was constantly changing his appearances, and he had fake visiting cards as well on him. Tell us and describe to us the sequence of events, what happened when the police received a tip-off that he was currently in Agra.
Well, absolutely, he was arrested at 3 a.m. and he was arrested from Agra. And what we are getting to know is that he also changed in meanwhile 13 to 14 hotels when he was on the run. And the most important thing is to gain sympathy and to have innocent look. He remained in his own look, that is the look of sannyasi, so that nobody could suspect him that he is on the run. He is then accused in the harassment, in the sexual harassment case. 17 girls have accused him for sexual harassment. Not just that, but now police has also mentioned that the case in which he is arrested is about sexual harassment. As of now, the arrest has been made in this case, but further the investigation will also be carried out about the financial frauds, because remember that after the FIR was filed in the month of August, there is also in fact investigation. The investigation also revealed that he withdrew an amount of rupees 51 lakh. What was the need for him to withdraw an amount of rupees 51 lakh after the FIR being filed? Is it a case of money laundering as well? Where is the money going? All these things will also be, probed by the police, because yes, the financial
in a bit, Tetri, because we just want to lay the background, especially when it comes to how this so-called Baba actually faced this arrest, because he was facing complaints ranging from, using abusive language, sending obscene and lewd text messages to women, and forced physical